In this video we are going to use this oscillator, it's the I-force indicator, to create buy and sell signals. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video we're going to create an expert advisor that uses the force index to generate buy and sell signals. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening Metaeditor. You can do this by clicking on the little icon or pressing F4. First, we include the Trade MQH library, which provides functions for trading operations. Next, we create an instance of the CTrade class, which will be used to execute our buy and sell orders. In the OnTick function, we begin by calculating the ask price. We do this by retrieving the current ask price of the symbol and normalizing it to the number of digits specified by the symbol. Similarly, we calculate the bid price by retrieving the current bid price of the symbol and normalizing it. We then create a string variable named signal to store our trading signal. Next, we create an array named myPriceArray to store the force index values. We define the force index by calling the iForce function with the current symbol, the current period, a period of 13, the mode SMA method, and volume tick as the volume type. We set the array to be sorted from the current candle downwards using arraySetAsSeries. We then copy the force index values into myPriceArray. We copy the values from buffer 0, starting from the current candle, and we copy 3 candles worth of data. We calculate the value of the force index for the current candle by normalizing the first element of myPriceArray to 6 decimal places. We also calculate the value of the force index for the previous candle by normalizing the second element of myPriceArray to 6 decimal places. We generate a buy signal if the current force index value is less than 0 and the previous force index value is greater than 0. In this case, we set the signal string to buy. Similarly, we generate a sell signal if the current force index value is greater than 0 and the previous force index value is less than 0. In the case, we set the signal string to sell. If the signal is sell and there are no open positions, we execute a sell order for 0.10 lots, which is equivalent to 10 microlots. We use the bid price as the entry price, set the take profit to 500 points above the bid price, and set the stop loss to 250 points below the bid price. If the signal is buy and there are no open positions, we execute a buy order for 0.10 lots, which is equivalent to 10 microlots. We use the ask price as the entry price, set the take profit to 500 points below the ask price, and set the stop loss to 250 points above the ask price. Finally, we output the current signal to the chart using the comment function. To compile the code, press F7. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation works, go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. You should now see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses the force index to generate buy and sell signals. You have coded it yourself with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope you can see the I-force oscillator on your chart. If this was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what the code is doing, you can check out the premium course on our website. For now I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.